Okay, Tailwater's a Green River reservoir, all rigged up. Got night crawlers on 2 of them, glow sticks on the end because I don't use a lantern, just a headlamp, and the white one over there, hopefully you can see it, has chicken livers. Actually looks like it might be getting a nibble right now. This is GoPro practice, in case you're wondering what I'm doing. This might be a cigar. Oh, I hear the clicker clicking. Might be the current, might be something messing with it. It'll get serious if it wants it. They have the flow just over 4,000 cubic feet per second, which is good for walleye and usually good for catfish. Been getting a bite on this one. But nothing's made a commitment. Had just enough bites on this one, and it's down. If something takes this, I'll probably be wrapped up in my other lines. Getting too dark for the camera, so I guess I'll turn it off.